What's happening, Hardscapers? Today we're going to be talking about what we're doing this winter with some hardscaping workshops online, as well as all of our content that we have available if you're interested. Let's get into this. So we're going to be doing some online workshops, and these are going to be 1-hour classes that run through December and into January. If you are wanting to get into hardscaping or run your own hardscaping business, this may interest you. And if you're watching this after the fact, these workshops, we're going to continue to do them consistently through the year, as well as continue to add to our course content library. And this is all at members.howtohardscape.com. And what these workshops are going to do is going to help us expand on what our course content features. We have the Interlocking concrete pavement installation course, and this has modules on project planning, excavation, compaction, geotextiles, geogrid, aggregates, base preparation, screeding, patterns, design basics, edge restraint, jointed compound, and wrapping up a project. And we're going to use each of those modules and expand on them further. Get into actually planning a project, showing you on our design software what you need to do if the yard is sloping away from the house, and why you can't just lay a patio on that existing grade all the time, and why it can't be on whatever grade you want it to be, and why you may need to build a raised patio. Same thing with if a yard slopes in towards the house, why you need some retaining walls to be able to retain the soil on either side of the house to then build your patio on the existing grade. So we're going to get into the building of a patio, everything from the excavation to the compaction of the subsoil and amending, to installing the geotextile, all the way up through the base material into screeding your final layer, and then laying your paver patio, edge restraint, jointed compound. And this is going to give you a chance to discuss this all in a larger format, as well as get access immediately to our online courses to be able to proceed through them, including our segmental retaining wall installation videos, our gas fire feature installation, hardscape lighting installation, as well as if you're looking to actually start and grow your hardscaping business, we've got the budgeting, estimating, and knowing your numbers courses there. We'll also have a workshop on budgeting and estimating, so you can also use this to then also create a company-wide budget and estimate your numbers from that budget to ensure that you're making the money that you need to on every project that's going out the door. And we'll be using the How to Hardscape headquarters software to help us recoup that money and help you build your budget in your business. We'll also have a workshop on building your website if you're looking to build a WordPress website, and how to structure it so that you are search engine optimized, that you have the best chances possible to get to the top of search engine results. And even further on top of that, if you're looking to get into a software, this also includes a subscription to our headquarters software. Now, as we add more courses to our course content library, and as we add more features to our software, this monthly pricing will increase for new users. So if you sign up, you're locked in at that pricing, and as we add more features, add more courses, that pricing will increase for new users. And you can use these courses to help train your employees and onboard your employees as well. In addition to this, we've got monthly meetings with group members, as well as a contractor book club that we'll be working on for the new year, a quarterly book club to help elevate one another in this industry. So if this interests you, the link will be in the description below. That's members.howtohardscape.com to learn more. You can take a look at the course content library. You can also take a look at the features on the How to Hardscape headquarters software and learn a little bit more about these workshops that we've got going on. Once again, link will be in the description below. Comment below if you have any other questions, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more hardscaping content like this. Thank you so much for watching.